A very warm good evening, each and everyone watching this session. Yes, once again, we Bypoint is back with yet another update that the NEET 2021 is postponed. Yes, this news is just what storming in the social media that the postponement of NEET 2021. Yes, and now today in this session, we are going to discuss about the NEET 2021 postponement and whether we can crack NEET 2021 if we start our preparation right from now. Yes, can I crack NEET 2021 if I start my preparations now? This is the most common question that I'm seeing in the social medias, whereas in my Telegram also. Yes, so let's discuss each and everything onto this. That is the postponement regarding the NEET 2021 and whether you can crack NEET if you start. You are in zero. If you are at zero level right now, and you can start your preparation from today. Yes. So let's move on with this session. Once again, a very warm welcome. Do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Biopoint, stream the world of bio. Yes, reminding you all those things before moving on to the session. Yes, it's sure that NEET 2021 will not be held in August 1. The NTA has officially accepted that the exam has been postponed and the new date shall be announced soon. Yes, what's happening in case of this NTA right now is that we are gonna double the exam centers that are currently used for writing the NEET examination. Doubling the exam centers, that is, if there are 10 exam centers for attending NEET examination, it will be moved on to 20. Such that each and every center will be doubled in case of this NEET 2021, and that's how this NTA is now taking a plan to conduct NEET 2021 in a safe manner in accordance with the COVID protocols. Yes, so that's about NEET 2021 postponement. Yes, and what is another thing that confirms the postponement of NEET exam is that the application form is not yet called out, right? They haven't released the application form yet for you to apply for the NEET 2021 examination. So it's not what called out, or it's not this what started till now, the application forms. Therefore, we can confirm that the NEET 2021 cannot be held or cannot be conducted in August 1. Yes. So next is your main question. Can we crack NEET if we start our preparation from now? Yes. It's your question, and it's a quite a common question in these last days of NEET examination. Most of the students will be there who haven't started your NEET preparations till now. That means they might have started, but they will know only at least if you have a total of 98 chapters. They might be knowing only might be less than 10 chapters in total from all these subjects. Yes. So what will you do if you are gonna do like that, or what if you are not able to complete those portions in case of this NEET 2021? Yes, we are gonna say each and everything very clearly in this session. An accurate study plan will be given for you. That is accordingly specific time slots will be allotted for you for studying. Specific time slots will be allotted for you as a refreshment gap and each and everything for with 10 plus productive hours with Biopoint. Yes, 10 plus productive hours with Biopoint. You're going to have it right now on this session. Yes. So this is your comment answer for your comment question. Can I crack NEET if I start my preparation now? Yes. Why not? Why not is the answer for that question. Because there are more than 60 days ahead. 60 plus days are ahead of you, because according to the latest news, NEET will be conducted only after 60 days from the starting of the application form. So if the application form is started right from tomorrow also, there will be 60 plus days ahead of you. Yes, and total what happens is that there will be a total of 98 chapters right in front of you. Yes, and if you are going to study 2 chapters per day, we are going to study 2 chapters per day. What happens is that right at the 46th day, your entire portion will be completed. Yes, you have a total of 98 chapters in that is including those physical world and all that basic introductory chapters as well. So if you are going to complete 2 chapters per day, one difficult chapter and one easy chapter, or it's one physics and one biology, one chemistry, one biology inside survey also. you are going to complete the entire portion in the 46th day. Yes, in the 46th day, you will be completing the entire portion, right? If you are going to do this plan. Yes. Okay. So what else is that the rest of the days you can practice the previous year questions with lots of MCQs, and what we can assure you is that if you are going to do this plan right from tomorrow, what is going to do, or what is the final result is that you will be achieving NEET examination, or you will be cracking the NEET examination this time itself. For the NEET 2021 itself, you will be gonna crack the NEET examinations. Yes, so there will be 60 plus days. Yes, it is said that 60 plus days, sometimes it might be varying to 30, right? But since we have till what JEE examinations till 2nd of August, we can expect this NEET in September. We can expect this NEET in what, September first week or September second week itself. Yes, that's how 60 plus days comes in ahead of you. Yes, so that how you should crack your NEET examination. Let's discuss a study plan where you have in detail about how you have to plan a day with specific time slots and the action at the respective timing. Yes, you may wake up only at 6 a.m. No need of waking at 4 a.m. No need of waking at 3:30 a.m. All those things, and what, sleeping at 12 p.m. All those things is not necessary for you. This is an absolute study plan for a NEET aspirant in this final day. Yes, what we have assured you is that you are gonna get 10 hours, 10 productive hours for studying. 10 productive hours for studying. Yes. So you have to wake up only at 6 a.m. and from 6 a.m. to 6:15. 6 a.m. to 6:15, it's your time for just meditation. After you wake up, just refresh yourself and have a slot meditation. 5 minutes for refreshment and 10 minutes for meditation. That is how you have to complete till 6:15. Yes, a short period of meditation. And that short period of meditation, what you have to do is that, after that short period of meditation, it's your time to start with the study slot 1. The time for your studies, that is the first slot of timing of that day, that is 6:15 to 8:15. That is, you're going to get a 2-hour plan. 2 hours plan right at the morning, that is 6:15 to 7:15 and 7:15 to 8:15. Yes, you can take 10 minutes break in between of this. Yes, you can take 10-minute break in between whenever you are needed. And that is the first slot of study, that is the study slot 1, study time 1, 6:15 to 8:15 a.m. And after that, at 8:15 to 9 a.m., you're having a long time for having your breakfast. So you can eat it in a calm way. You can eat it relaxedly, the entire breakfast. And after that, from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., you are again having a refreshment gap. Yes, 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m., you're again having a refreshment gap. And from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., you're having the study time 2. That is the second slot of timing for the day. Study time 2. You're going to have 1.5 hours from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. And after that, you can take a break from 11 to 11:15 a.m. Yes. And from 11:15 to 12:15, what you have to do is you have to practice MCQs from the slot or from the part that you have learned from the study time 1 and study time 2. You have to cover the MCQs in 11:15 to 12:15 p.m. Yes. After that, you are going to have a long break from 12:15 to 1 p.m. You are going to have your lunch, and from 1 to 2, you are having a refreshment gap. Yes, that's how you're going to have, that's how we have planned a refreshment gap for you. A huge refreshment gap is there. If anyone doesn't need this much long refreshment gap, you can plan your timetable. You can adjust this time slot according to your plan. Yes. And from 2 to 3:15 p.m., you're having the third time gap for studying. Yes, third time gap for studying. And from 3:15 to 4 p.m., you're going to have your tea time. And at 4 to 4:30 p.m. Sorry, 4 to 5:30 p.m. You're going to practice MCQs that you have covered in this study time 03. Yes. At the third study time, you may be covering some specific topics of a particular chapter. Yes, and you have to practice MCQs in this 4 to 5:30 p.m. Yes. And at 5:30 to 6:30 p.m., 1 hour, you are again having your refreshment gap. And from 6:30 to 7:45 p.m., 1 hour, 15 minutes. You're going to have the study time 04. Yes. And after that, 15 minutes, 7:45 to 8 p.m., you're going to have your dinner. And at 8 to 10:30 p.m., yes, the long 2 hours and long 2.5 hours, you're going to have the study time 5, and you have to practice MCQs along with that. This is how you're going to plan the entire day. This is how you're going to plan the entire day with 10 hours of study time. Yes, 10 productive hours you're going to get if you're going to plan your timetable as per this plan. Yes. And at 10:30 to 10:15, you can have a refreshment. You can walk around. You can check your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, each and everything. And at 10:15, 10:45 p.m., it's time for you to sleep. Yes. And you can wake at 6 a.m. only in the morning. This is how you have to plan your study timetable in a day. This is a very productive way of timetable. Yes, you can have a recap on this. Waking up at 6 a.m., study time 1 at 6:15 to 8:15 a.m. Next slot of study time at 9:30 to 11 a.m. Then 11:15 to 12 p.m. You're going to practice your MCQs. 2 to 3:15 p.m. it's study time 03. And 4 to 5:30 you're going to practice MCQs. 6:30 to 7:45 study time 4, and 8 to 10:30 p.m. you're going to have study time 5 plus MCQs. Yes, you may divide your timetable. You can study 2 chapters in a day. That is 1 chapter in the morning and 1 chapter at the afternoon, right? 1 chapter before, that is forenoon, and 1 chapter afternoon. That's how you may plan, or you may complete 2 chapters per day, and you can crack this slot of 98 chapters in 46 days. Yes. And after that, the rest of the days you may do your previous year question. Yes, this is how we are getting the 10 productive hours with BioPoint. Yes, that's all for today. That's all for today's session. Thank you all. Thanks for your patient listening. It's me signing out from your favorite and my favorite BioPoints in the world of bio. Bye-bye.